Okay, never forget before photo. That's the most important thing ever. In order to have a good marketing, you need it before and after. And for the inner, 1/3, I put 8 to 10 mm, and that's Cinderella Lash CC Curl. And then I put the wispy long ones, that's 12 to 14 mm CC Curl. And I put about, you can put about 6 to 8 or up to 10, depends on the look that you want. And then I put fans in the middle, and the fans in the middle are 10 to 12 mm. So it's a little shorter than the long wisp. And then in order not to forget what I'm doing, I just put a fan in between the long wispy ones, and I just keep going over it in a pattern. And remember to comb it, and remember to change your glue. Usually for a full set I put about 4 to 5 drops, so it's about 15 minutes per drop. Usually I don't count how much I put on, I just keep filling up until it looks right. And then in the middle I'll use the tape to tape it up and to keep filling with the 10 to 12 mm CC curl. And each fan is probably about 4 to 60. I personally think 5D is the prettiest. And once I'm done with one eye, I'll start with another eye. Usually I like to do both eyes at the same time, but this time because I'm recording the video, so I do one eye at a time. So 8 to 10 for the inner, about 1/3 area. Alright, and then the long wisp, that's 12 to 14. And then start filling the in between the long wispy ones with 10 to 12 cc. As you can see, I like to have like a long stem fan, and that's like a medium size. If the bigger you have the fans open, the fluffier it will look. And I tape up in the middle and start filling as much as I could. And after removing, I sit back and see what else am I missing, and I fill the rest up. And once every while, I will comb it really hard to check my work, make sure nothing's coming out. You don't want clients to go home and brush it and a lot of them falling out. And when you're almost done, you sit back and try to see what is missing. You want to make sure both eyes are the same. You don't want one side with more or less. And you need to take after photo with eyes closed and eyes open. And I like to put that in the photo grid with the before, after, eyes closed, eyes open.